Once upon a time, in the lush expanse of the African savannah, there reigned a mighty creature known as Leão. This king of the beasts was not just remarkable for his strength and agility, but also for his wisdom and the deep respect he commanded from all creatures of the wild. Leão was a lion whose majestic mane shimmered in the golden sunlight, a living emblem of his prowess. The anecdotes of him seizing victory over rival prides, his camaraderie with other animals, and the tales of his cubs growing into fine young lions were spoken with admiration and awe by the animals. Amongst his court were Zuri, the cunning and fast-witted zebra who often provided Leão with counsel, and Jengo, a towering giraffe whose height granted him a perspective of events far beyond the immediate boundaries just visible to most. They were bound by mutual trust and a common aim. The balance of life on the savannah was not only Leão's responsibility, but his legacy. Seasons went by, and during the time of abundance, Leão's pride thrived. Yet it was during the time of scarcity that his true leadership burgeoned. There came a year of great drought. It was during this tough season that Leão exhibited the essence of true leadership. One morning, as the sun rose with its scorching determination, Leão convened a gathering beneath the ancient baobab tree, where the shade provided momentary solace from the sweltering heat. "My kin," Leão began with a resonant voice, "we must ensure that we all survive this trial." He devised a plan that required all herds and clusters of animals to travel to the last remaining river, which still flowed with a divine shimmer. It would mean relinquishing familiar territories. Under the guidance and assurance of Leão and his confidants, Zuri and Jengo, the animals embarked on this collective trek. The nights en route were cool, providing rest from the fierce sun, while the journey saw its share of peril. Several predators were prowling, albeit more out of desperation. The sight invigorated the hearts of those worn by the journey's demands. As Leão led his pride to the life-giving waters, other animals waited their turn, witnessing the benevolence of his good leadership. Harmony returned once more to the lands. Animals shared their water and resources. A struggle against adversity, a testament to their perseverance. And understood it was Leão's steadfast leadership that had seen them through the darkness. The bond shared among each creature grew stronger as they stepped back into the rhythms of life, enriched by the trials they had weathered. And so Leão continued to rule not just by dominance, but through wisdom and unwavering courage, forever carving his legend into the annals of nature's history as the magnificent lion who led his kingdom through its darkest times.